Alright, we're ready to put together the receiving side of our distillation apparatus. So we need a vacuum adapter, which is kind of looking like an elbow thing. It's alright if the vacuum flask is on this side. We really won't use the vacuum flask this time. And then for this lab, since we actually want to capture and keep the stuff that comes out, we're going to collect that into a clean round bottom flask. Now keep in mind, if you actually want to keep your receiving flask and know exactly how much you want, good idea to weigh this right after you've cleaned it. So when it goes onto this assembly, you know what it weighed empty. Right. We're going to let this go together like so. I'm going to use a clamp to hold the round bottom flask in place. And I'm going to put that on my second ring stand. I'm not going to tighten up my ring stand too much. Just get it snug so I can trust that thing's not going to go anywhere. And I'm going to use another clamp to clamp onto the top of the elbow. And we want to make sure we get a clamp where this end rotates, so I can actually put this on here and then put those two pieces together. Alright, now these should kind of move for this side, because what you're going to do right now is use your little distillation column, and what we want to do is connect the two sides. So I've got that all greased up. I've lined up my other one into it. And double check your seals here so there's no air coming around any of these frosted seams. If you have the grease in there well enough, you'll actually see it goes kind of clear. Alright, so I got it, but it's not really very snug right now. So what I'm going to do to snug it up, I'm going to start by snugging up the clamps that are holding the receiving flask into place. And we're still not that snug, so while I'm still holding on to the center piece, I'm going to use one of these adjustable clamps. These nice little three-fingered ones to grab hold of that distillation column, so I don't have to stand there and hold it the entire time we do this distillation. Now don't go too snug on this. It is glass, but you want to have a firm grip on it. And we're all good. The last thing I want to do is come back up here and tighten this elbow that I just actually loosely put on here. Alright, then double check all your things to make sure they're nice and snug so you know it's not going anywhere.